So you get tired of trying solution for fix isdone.dll and unarc.dll error during game installation? I have a fix for you. My subscriber shared a fix, turn off the app blocker that works. I show you guys the exact steps I follow and my subscribers do. Go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select the app and browser control and select smart app control setting. Select this to off and select yes option. And now go back to virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and select yes. And now minimize this and install the game you like. Once you installed the game, go back to Windows Security and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder and navigate to the installed game folder. Select the game folder and select folder option and the game has been added to this list. Go back, turn on the real-time protection and select yes. This is the way I install any game without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.